give you guys this one if you read the comments. Tell me where's your birthday come from. Okay, if you're tired of today, I will give you now speaking of everything that I have. That's beautiful, everything. And also I will give you sticker letter. And also Gia, I know you're watching me now. Because you said I'm good at Daddy. So it's me, Miss Mecca, your online kid. That is me. I didn't say a chat and you guys, cause and now I will give you things that I have.
Ma, good PM, basi may madonate na bas.
Mama,
Florwax, mapa-Florwax ko tani ang may makabubulot lang. Salamat kayo.
I love being tested. So can you see?
Thumbs up lang daw pa.
I will give you this patch only if someone first say that's your birthday and her today birthday. Someone else but
Ano pa nang 100 bucks?
that I don't know.
Ma'am, kumain na naman, ma.
I will be giving this
Ma,
and
Ma'am, kumain na
I
naman.
will get
Was, ma'am, hindi na pa mo.
tell me
Kanina na,
what
ma.
you want. I will get it
Grabe
Romy or Melly, something like that.
Makarong gali,
Tell me what's your favorite some real things. I want to learn some real things that I have to my collection. Also, tell me if you want some
Bakal na.
toys that
May
are
biligyan na mo sa bus.
cool
Sa bus, bilaga.
like that. Cause I would have things.
Good PM.
Okay.
Base, may madonate.
Can I tell you guys something that you watch me now?
Pero wag sa pula na. Ha?
Bag, but I drew it. I will see you it. I will draw it now.
Kasi hindi kita bilang. Pero try ko mas makakanta.
Scissors for
Ha?
what? This.
Hindi na pag okay. Pero may ita ko.
I know you want my scissors, but I will give you a hug. Bye bye. Have a beer bug.
Okay, tawag mo yung pag-
Bye.
Okay ko lang ga. Thumbs up lang ga.